welcome back to Crafty Vlogmas. I'm going to have a look in my project box and see if I can pick today's project. I'm going to close my eyes. What can I get? This one. Oh, it is a door decoration. Will it be a wreath or will it be a bouquet? I'm not really sure yet. Let's head to the local flower shop and see what branches and leaves we can get. Oh, look at these. These are really nice. This eucalyptus is really nice. And there's also some berries which are beautiful. And this one, I don't know what this is. Oh, look at the Christmas flowers. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at these.多分あっちがいいですよね。でも綺麗ですよね。それも綺麗。すごい赤耳そう。かわいい。ちっちゃいね葉っぱが。
結構しっかりしてる。
それもユカリ？
ユーカリ。
すごい。
ユーカリいっぱい種類があるので。今日は3。
見たことないね。この小さい方。
あ、本当ですか？
綺麗ですね。
結構立派です。
そうですよね。ありがとう。これください。
1本でいいですか
？1本でいい。
大丈夫です。
1本は1000円ですか？
1000円です。
はい。お願いします。
すごいいいです。
おお。おすすめ。
細かい葉っぱが。
そうですよね。
大きいのが。
多分大きいがいいですよね。はい、ありがとうございます。
ではお待ちしてます。
Believe it or believe it not, Christmas is almost done in Japan at this point. The decorations are dwindling. That's pretty much it. I was looking for a star cutter. I don't really want a Santa one. Oh no, they're all Santas. I'm going to look in the kitchen area, but look how cute. Lots of things for crafting here. If you want to make a wreath, quite like these. Quite like these. And those, quite nice. I don't want anything plastic. These are nice. I think I'll get these. So I came back to the studio after going to the flower shop and Daiso as well, and I bought this at Daiso, which is a kind of a wreath maker. So I'm going to, this is 100 yen, so it's really good because it's just a metal ring that I can use again and again and again, and also just a bit of hemp rope. I'm hoping to put the eucalyptus on there and maybe something decorative as well. So let's see how we go. So I've got myself some wire, just normal craft wire. Also I'll need my snips. And let's have a look. This is so pretty. My plan is to use this with a studio door, and then once I've closed for Christmas, I'm going to take it to my house and have it on my home door. And then I'm going to keep the branches, and I'm going to then use the leaves to dye with. So nothing's going to be wasted. Just have to work out what I want my wreath to look like. Do I want it to look round, or do I want it to look... Maybe I do. So I think I asked the lady in the flower shop, do these things bend? And she said, sort of. So you can sort of see what my plan is, to put the wire so it goes all the way round like this. I'm hoping that the wire is bendy enough. It's okay. So let's just jump in. From my Ikebana days, I know there's a front and a back to plants, so yeah, I'm gonna start wiring, and then hopefully we can have a nice decoration for the door, the studio at least anyway. So there we go, just wiring it up. Might need to get my pliers out because I don't want to get caught by the wire. Oh, it looks so nice if you bend it round like this. You see? Piece of silk here I think is really lovely, but I don't think it's... I think I need my pinking shears to stop it from fraying. Otherwise it's just a nightmare. It's very fine silk. This is from the abandoned house as well. Nearly everything that I'm using at the moment seems to be from the abandoned house. Okay. Oh no. I also found this really nice tassel, which is a vintage one that was passed on to me, so I think I'll use that as well. Just put that here. See if I can tie this on in a sort of bowish kind of way. Oh, well, that would be nice. Okay, got it. Got it. So we make a bow like this. Like this. Cross over a bit. And then with a smaller piece, tie underneath, put it underneath, and then you make a fake bow. It's a little bit too big. There we go. Just going to do a small knot. See, it's made a bow. And then when it's right, you give it a good little tweak. And it's made a bow like this, and then I can tie the bow onto this. And then I can straighten it out a bit. See the bow? It's a bit long, so I'm going to go like this, and see how long that way. We have a cute eucalyptus door ornament.